Not disappointed. Do you have a score? Are you ready?
I do.
Specialty coffee.
I do.
Absolutely. No questions asked.
All right.
In 3, 2, 1.
Welcome back to another cup of Joe.
And Dakota.
Hope you're having a great Sunday, and we are finally in the month of Legends.
Oh, guys, we're going to hear this all month long. It's not going to stop.
Day 1.
Yeah, it is officially. Joe, we got some news. We need to tell the people.
Okay, people.
So, guys,
what's up?
This stuff right here. Now, Joe, do you want to tell the people what is this that I'm holding? Showing.
So this is Kil Beard Company. I should say the beard industry's most advanced beard wash on the market for your lovely mane.
What about this? What about this?
That is Loch Ness Pines beard oil, which is the essence of summer in a bottle.
Ooh, I like that. That was good. And this one?
Loch Ness Pines, same essence of shower experience. Or summer shower experience. I tried.
But what's so significant about today and that stuff?
So today is the last day to get the pre-order offer on these products. So if you have not yet, head on over to kilbeardcompany.com and
Pause
grab
the video, get on over there.
Grab yourself some amazing products before they go to their normal release price. So
and don't forget, comment, like, subscribe. We would appreciate it from the bottom of our heart. Thank you, guys.
Oh man, I tried to do it.
It's okay. Anyway, back to the regular scheduled program. It is the month of Legends, unfortunately, in Joe's eyes. So we're, like I said, not going to hear the end of that. But thankfully, this month, we're in Florida.
Florida.
Good old Sunshine State.
It makes sense for June, the month of Legends, as we know. This summer, Florida, heating things up here.
Sure.
And, I mean,
Joe definitely chose this coffee because this is the blend from, wait for it, Ginger Beard Coffee. It smells delicious, but
it smells stinking amazing.
As we've found out, smell doesn't always
don't be the buzz killer.
But anyway, we got a Central and South American blend here. Clearly, it's a blend. We've got
whole bean blend.
It is a whole bean blend. We've got hazelnut, cacao, and red fruit. Okay, and it is a medium roast. Joe likes it light. I like it dark. We want medium.
Yep.
So, and by the way, also started in 2015 in Tampa. So, we're right there in that Goldilocks zone, as we like to say, Joe.
Yep.
So, without further ado, let's drink some freaking coffee, sir.
The blend.
Cheers.
Stinking hot.
It's still pretty hot.
Oh man, I spilled a little bit.
Joe, talk about the beard wash. Our advanced beard wash. Come on, tell the people. Tell the people. I gotta focus on the coffee.
So advanced beard wash, what makes it different than all the other guys? First of all, you got 12 ounces instead of 8 ounces right off the bat. So you have 4 extra ounces. 2.
And plus, it feels better in the hand.
So it cleanses gently. It's not going to strip your beard. It maintains your face pH, just like a wash should. It should be made for your face, not a shampoo, sulfate, kind of a conditioning agent. It deeply hydrates. Has some of the strongest, or should I say, most efficient hydrating elements that you can put in a wash, shampoo, and cosmetics, etc., etc. It strengthens your hair follicles. It's got caffeine in there, so it's going to strengthen them. Jojoba, boaba. I always say that word wrong. B-A-O-A-B.
Jojoba.
No, not jojoba. There's no J in there. That's a different word. Anyways, in here, proteins, probiotic, prebiotic, and like I said, caffeine in here helps it grow, stimulates growth, all in one wash. So you're getting 5 products in one product. So that's what's real significant about this one here. I don't know of any other one that is like this out there. Usually has 1 or 2 things it may do. It doesn't do 4+ things. So if you're looking for a beard wash, you want to try something different and amazing. We've been testing it for 4 months now, and we love it. Highly recommend you give it a shot at the pre-order so you can save yourself some money, all right?
Again, pause the video. Get on over to Kil Beard Company. Go get you a bottle.
So we got fresh and clean. They're very neutral. And you get Loch Ness Pines. If you get Loch Ness Pines, you have to get the oil to go with it.
You gotta get the oil.
So
that's a no-brainer.
Basically, you get these 2. Even at pre-order, you get free shipping too. So, and I don't have the sticker with me, and it's okay. And you get a sticker with it too, free. So you get this little dude right here.
Oh, come on. You got to show the people. This little guy. Yeah, it's cool.
So, get that. And then Dakota's thought nice and hard about the coffee. What do you think of the coffee, sir?
It's interesting. I would say
What does that mean?
it's not like any coffee of this setup that I was expecting. It's very different from what I was going towards off of just the smell.
Okay, I'm not tracking.
Like,
I need more traction to my tread here. It's
you get the hazelnut, you get the cacao,
yeah,
but then the red fruit. Now, what the red fruit is, I couldn't tell you.
What's red?
But it's like this bittery, sweet red fruit, apparently. But it works so good in this cup. Now I wouldn't put this as like an everyday drinker, but I would at least want to have this once a week, maybe a couple times in a 2-week period.
So it's a really good specialty coffee is what you're alluding to.
I mean, that's where I'm headed.
So we already established this as a specialty category for the Kil Beard Company specialty category.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
What do you think of it,
I think
Mr. Fellow Ginger Beard?
I think it's made for gingers. No,
Come on, Joe. Come on, give me something to go off of.
No, honestly, when I sipped it, I forgot what the notes were, and I got this in my head. Like I got a note, a middle note, and an end note, and then the end note is noticeably fruity, but not overpowering fruity. Not like the tea ones that we've had before. Not like that fruity. It's like it hits the notes, and then it's done. And
it doesn't linger, and it doesn't leave you with that like
dry mouth or anything.
Yeah, weird dry mouth thing. Like I'm not super fan of that. But it's just,
I think this is a really good one actually, and I think this is an amazing start for Florida.
I mean, Florida is doing something right.
Right. At least the gingers are doing something right.
This is very true. I mean, and it's like. It is definitely a medium roast because like it doesn't have a very light mouthfeel. Well, it starts out light, gets super heavy, and then just goes super mild.
It's not acidic.
There's like a
you splitting hairs on this here, dude. It's not acidic.
I would say just a little bit with the fruit.
Maybe that's just you having heartburn, dude.
Anyway.
Okay, it tastes really good, and I think we agree with that. Now, really, how good does it taste, Dakota? Do you have a number for this one?
I'm gonna need a more minute. Tell me, how did you decide to come up with this Kilt's Advanced Beard Wash, Joe?
So I've been putting this off for over a year now. Time, money, and just trying to learn. It takes time. I never understood why there were so many beard products that we use to wash our beard. I understand that, the idea of some, retailers wanting to have multiple products, have multiple sales of a product. However, that being said, I've always been about efficiency in my life. How can I make my life easier? How can I make somebody else's life easier? And I said, why can't we just have one wash that pretty much does it all and more? And it doesn't strip. It washes, maintains pH. It gives you vitamins, probiotics, prebiotics, and caffeine to help stimulate growth and for skin and molecular health. And it's light on the skin, and it's all natural. I don't know how else to say it. And we get 4 more ounces.
I mean, guys, when he says all natural, like it's not like
a little bit all natural.
When you're shopping for a good beard wash, you get mostly all natural.
Right.
No, this stuff's legitimately all natural.
Right.
Right. Like everything you're gonna find is somewhere out there naturally occurring.
Yep.
Right? And I mean, it is a very wild experience using it for the first couple of times. I mean, it takes your body a second to get used to with it being all natural.
And there's some instructions on here that explains that.
Make sure you follow that.
There will be a hang tag, which I'm waiting for the paper to come in right now to put the hang tags on.
But, I mean, guys, your beard's not going to feel the same in the best way possible. Because I won't tell too much. We'll go on to it maybe in a later video. But guys, this is absolutely an advanced beard wash, and you guys need to be ready for it.
So since we're just talking about products right now, we'll just make the product segment, right? So June 1st, guess what's happening?
right here, today, right now, as you're watching this.
Our Freedom Beard box is up.
Ooh.
So, our Freedom Beard box, and a few other things. So, this hat right here is available.
Ooh.
By itself. There's a limited quantity.
Come on, give the people a little left and right here.
There's this.
Oh, you
go around 360.
Dang.
So this looks really nice. It's our, I'm calling it like our War Piper icon.
I like that. I like that a lot.
So this is our Freedom Battle Ready. It's got the Army tartan on there with some battle bagpipes, his axe. He's all ready to go, full battle rattle. Let's do it. We also got the shirt right here, flag, logo, and on the back it has him also in the larger icon, and it says Kil Beard Company on there. So those are available separately. You can get from large to 4X while supplies last, and also our beard box. The hat comes in the Freedom Beard box. It's the perfect Father's Day gift for the fathers out there, and just to spoil yourself.
What else are you getting in that box?
So this is what you get.
Besides the badass hat.
So you get the badass hat. You get one of these badass beard washes.
Ooh.
You have the choice between one or the other.
Clean or Loch Ness Pines.
This one you'll get Loch Ness Pines beard oil with it. This one you'll get the unscented beard oil with it.
Mm-hmm.
Then you get the you can grab that one over there.
Good old finishing salts.
So finishing salt, smoked finishing salt, applewood.
Woo.
For your meats. The bag right there. You're gonna get some Zero Dark 30 coffee.
Ooh.
I don't have it right now, but well, I have it, but it's not over here. Some Samsa House hot sauce.
Some of the best, arguably the best hot sauce in the game.
Well, plus a can coolie for your favorite beverage.
Mm-hmm.
Plus 2 stickers, one of this guy and one of our Loch Ness Pines logo. And that's what you get.
In a box.
Yep, shipped to you.
Good to go.
It's already ready to go. You just got to put that order in.
That's your Freedom box.
And it's coming right to you.
Guys, you want to go get one of those too. I mean, you might as well. It's a perfect gift for anybody.
And you can also
especially that bearded individual in your life.
And you can also add on a shirt too, and take $5 off the shirt if you add it on to the box also. So some really amazing products, awesome Father's Day deal, awesome 4th of July, month of legends deals.
That's a good one.
Head on over to KilBeardCompany.com and check this out. Hopefully I have everything working on the site because this is a lot to throw up there. If something's not working, just DM us, we'll fix it. But there's only 24 Freedom boxes total. And they will sell out. And if you wait till next week, most likely they will be out.
Don't do that.
Besides to sell them online, we also will be at the Cheyenne Highland Festival. And also on Father's Day weekend, we will be at the Salt Lake City Highland Games, where there's like over 40,000 people that go there. So these will sell out. So I want you guys to jump in it because you guys watch the show, and I want you basically got the first go at it here. So hop on over there and make it happen.
Go, 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 go. All right, back to our regular scheduled program. Some other amazing stuff. This coffee. Ginger Beard Coffee, Joe. I mean, I kind of feel like you were biased in purchasing this, but boy, I'm not disappointed. Do you have a score? Are you ready?
I do.
Specialty coffee.
I do.
Absolutely. No questions asked.
All right.
In 3, 2, 1.
8.8.
7.9.
Ish.
Did you say 8.8?
Yeah.
Well, Joe, I mean,
I thought it was just really balanced.
tell the people.
No, it's
8.8.
It's well balanced. It says exactly what they're trying to do to it. It really feels and tastes, well, not feels, but you know, it tastes like a medium coffee. There's no little weird aftertaste or anything like that. It's very satisfying. I want to keep drinking more. The bag looks very clean. The orange and white is on brand for a ginger face hair mane, if you will. And yeah, like I'm not trying to like overcomplicate this one. I think it was really good. I do agree with you, by the way, that maybe once a week, every so often you'd want to have this. You wouldn't want to have this every day. But that's kind of where we point out specialty coffees when we grade coffees. They're usually coffees that you'd have either seasonally or once in a while, like as a kind of like a cheat day or to really take in the moment, if you will. But yeah, I'm not trying to overcomplicate. I'm not being biased because they have ginger beards and they do a great job and et cetera, and they do have beards, by the way. Yeah, that's where I'm at. Do you feel bad for yourself now for going that low?
I feel like 7.9 for me is a
point.
The flavor. I mean, There is.
I don't like hazelnut, by the way.
There is 3 notes that you have.
Mm-hmm.
Would I say pick out hazelnut, cacao, and red fruit? And that's where my score dropped a little bit.
For me,
Like,
I'm glad I don't taste hazelnut, but I taste something there.
yeah.
Because
Like,
I don't like hazelnut.
For that and that alone is why I'm going 7.9. Not a bad cup of coffee. Just the notes that I was given, I'm not really getting.
Well, you get red fruit. You get a fruity taste.
There's a fruity taste. Yes, but again, I mean, I'm giving it a thumbs up. I would drink it again. I would definitely drink something from Ginger Beard Coffee again. I would do it.
So would you like this with a
delicious.
glass of 2% milk with Pepsi?
We're not going to talk about that. but feel free to come join our lives over on Instagram every Wednesday, 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time.
Except for this Wednesday. Don't be there because we most likely will not be there.
Month of Legends is
Legendary.
we're doing some legendary stuff.
But yeah, so beard products, thumbs up. Head over to killbeardcompany.com.
Mm-hmm.
I would definitely like to try these guys in the future if we come back for like a round robin. I'd like to come back for
Oh yeah,
see what else they have there.
this one they really.
I believe they only had like 3 or 4 coffees.
2015. I don't I like the simplicity.
Yeah.
I don't like the overcomplication of things. The fact that they're getting the flavor profiles that they're getting. That being said, then they're not being a distinctive whatever. Out of a whole bean, guys, you're doing something right.
Nice, quick, crisp, and on point. Kil Beard Company.
Welcome to the month of legends, everybody. Have a great week.
Later.
Bye, everybody. Cheers.